In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an autoresponder in Getresponse. We're going to walk through the fastest click-by-click way to set up an autoresponder so that anyone who joins your list gets an email from you automatically without you having to send it manually every time. First, start on your Getresponse dashboard. This is the main screen you see when you log in. Look towards the top area for the option called Quick Actions. Go ahead and click on Quick Actions, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Create Autoresponder. This is the shortcut that takes you directly into the autoresponder setup without having to dig through menus. Next, you'll be asked how you want to create this autoresponder. Choose the option that says By Myself. This tells Getresponse that you want full control over the settings and the content, instead of using a pre-built guided setup. Now you're on the main setup screen. Start by entering an internal name. This is only for your reference. Your subscribers will not see it. Use something descriptive, like Welcome Email, Main List, so that later, when you have several automations, you'll immediately know what this one does. Below that, select your linked list. This is the contact list that will trigger the autoresponder. In other words, when someone subscribes to this specific list, the email you're about to create will be sent to them. Make sure you pick the exact list that matches where your form or sign-up source is sending new contacts. Next, set the timing. There will be an option that says On Day. Set this to 0. Day 0 means the email is sent immediately when someone joins your list. This is ideal for welcome emails, lead magnet delivery, or any message you want people to see right away. After the setup details, enter your subject line. This is the subject your subscribers will see in their inbox, so write something clear and compelling that matches the content of your email. Now it's time to design the content of your message. Click on Design Message. You'll see a gallery of templates. Browse through, pick a layout that fits your style or purpose, and then click Use Template. From there, customize the text, images, and links to match your brand and what you want to say in this autoresponder. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to make it live. Click Save and Publish. Your autoresponder is now active, and anyone who joins the linked list will automatically receive the email you just created.